My story of how I got to Anoka Tech was I had started at St. Cloud Technical and Community College, going there for a associate's degree. I took a semester off and rethought about what I wanted to do in life and found that CAD was something that I excelled in high school and wanted to pursue it as a career. I chose CAD for a career path mainly just because I knew it was something that I'd be confident in. It was also something that I was going to be doing different every day. Anoka Technical College has lots of opportunity for a student to gain help, as well as they set up a structure for you to grow tremendously. When I was in my second semester here, the instructor here had reached out to me and informed me that there was a possible internship opportunity. Found out that, well, they didn't really need an internship, they wanted a part-time position. And I've been there for well over a year now. Another thing that I would also share is the different availability of the instructors. A lot of them just want to help you. A lot of them want to help their students. They will prioritize students. I've seen it time and time again. I've had situations where an instructor had to go out of their way to help me.